Here are the list of things I've learned from my dog. He's just 2 months old, but I've known him for a month now, so here we go. Number first, he looks at me with his cute little puppy eyes every time he needs something. And it feels like what he really needs is love. To be loved and to be our beloved. And I try to give it all. I learned this puppy eye technique from him. So now every time my mother refused to cook my favorite food, I be like, please. And this actually works. This other day my mother cooked me my favorite rajma chawal. Number second, I mostly keep my door shut because I fear that one day my kiddo will run away because the way he looks outside the window is beautiful and scary at the same time. He wants to see what world looks like. He wants to explore. He wonder if stray dogs look just like him. Every time he listens to a noise, he runs towards the window. My brother actually does a great mimicry of dogs, and he annoy him with that. He looks here and there, where is the dog, where is the dog? So I shout at him for the same. And him looking outside the window make me realize how I started dreaming and how I'm running to pursue them. He's a small kid. I promise I'll make sure he explores everything. I'll take him out as soon as possible, but I fear that big buddies might hurt him. So I'm taking care of him now. Number third, he is not so cuddly and it feels like maybe he's an introvert. I always wanted my future dog to be calm and sweet and someone I can share my secrets with. But with him, he bites me every time I'm annoyed or I'm mad or I'm in a bad mood. And I sometimes get angry at him for doing that, but then he looks at me with his cute little puppy eyes. यहाँ मैं पिघल जाती हूँ. His not giving bhav wala attitude taught me I may not talk to everyone on a daily basis, but I'll be there for them when they're not okay. I'll bite them, but I won't leave them. I'll make it up to them with my cute little human eyes maybe. Number 4, he's a big foodie. He jumps in the kitchen when he sees me getting something out of the fridge. His face when he sees milk. The craving on his face for the food is something I cannot define in words. He's a privileged kid and he has everything, and that breaks my heart. I wish I can see thousands of those puppy faces when I give them milk. That craving on their face is everything. And I can get lost in them and never come back. The Puffle team has started an initiative called #2rotiaur. In this, you have to cook 2 more rotis or ask your mother to do so, and you can try this technique as well. I assure you, she won't ignore. And you have to cook 2 more rotis and feed the stray dogs, click pictures, videos, post them on their stories. Don't forget to use our #2rotiaur. Share your experience, pictures, videos. We promise we'll reshare everything with our cute little human eyes. And this initiative will start from tomorrow, that is 3rd of December, till 13th of December. Hopefully you'll all join. Thank you so much.